We're doing it, man. The streamers university. Yeah, man, we IRL, bro. Oh shit. I can't even really see the chat, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Maybe if I go full screen, I could be able to see it. I don't know what y'all saying, Eric. All I know is outdoor stream. First outdoor stream, man. Chat, how y'all feel about the first outdoor stream? Yo, how far is the delay? Oh, y'all can't hear me? Yo? Oh no, I'm tripping. That's because the sound was oh, whoever be coming in trying to promote on my joint, like, bro, we not doing that. All right, sound is good. I was tweaking for a second. I don't think you're supposed to be showing gas on the stream, so I ain't finna really show the gas, you know what I mean? Just know that's him. Shout out to my brother Too Active. I'm just saying, shout out to him. I mean, got real brothers out here. Chat, I'm mad I can't see what y'all saying right now. But just know, I definitely want to know how y'all feel about this, about the outdoor stream, though. You feel me? We staying live 24 hours today, so you know we got to start it. You know we got to start it with the wake and bake. You know what I mean? We got to start the stream with the wake and bake. Bro, I never did a 24-hour stream before. I never even did like a 14-hour stream. So to do 24 hours, I don't really know. We finna just do it. You know what I mean? We're not even really finna think about it too much. We're not finna analyze it too much. By the way, my neighbors, my neighbors is farmers. So if y'all hear any like loud noises or nothing, my neighbors over there getting busy right now. Shout out to my neighbors, man, because if the world end, them neighbors is gonna become our best friends. They self sufficient. You heard? They got everything self sufficient. Is there a spider on me or something? I keep feeling bugs on me, yo. I don't see no bugs, but I keep feeling them now. I don't know if I'm tweaking. Got me feeling like Friday. Who else be mixing their gas? You feel me? Like who be having like two flavors in? I mean, I'm the type if I got some real super gas and then I got some just all right gas, I'm definitely gonna mix them joints to stretch it, you know what I mean? Definitely gonna mix them Jones. Who else be doing that? Anybody else be any of y'all be doing that? I'm asking questions like I can see the chat. I'm really pissed I cannot see the chat, bro. I cannot see y'all. What y'all in here talking about? Shout out to T. Shout out to T up 369. I know you in here. Shout out to Not the Feds. I know you in here. I mean, who else in here? I know some of y'all. Let me see if I can see it. I know some of y'all. This the real rich. Chill. Who said that? See, I can't see the names. Somebody said the clouds is 4K today. Bro, I really cannot see y'all names, bro. I got another question though. Whoever used paper fronto, I'm sorry. Whoever used a piece of wood leaf like a paper fronto. I mean, I don't be needing the whole. Yo, these flies is really gonna be the end of this stream, bro. The flies is really frying me right now. They smell the pesticides on the gas. I mean, who whoever did that? Damn, they out here trying to something 1.5 of the light, man. The way the light hitting the light not even really on me. The light really on the background. I could try to go on the light, but I'm nervous that my drone going to disconnect, bro. We IRL, this shit working right here. One thing about when you IRL, and we gonna talk about this IRL thing too, because they keep making y'all feel like you gotta have 20,000, 15,000 to have your IRL set up. I'm gonna tell you right now, you ain't gotta do that. But I forgot what I was about to say. Oh yeah, I was gonna say we got this joint in one spot. I'm not finna move it, bro. I'm not finna move it because it's working out. I'm not finna move this joint when it's already in the spot that's working. I keep feeling bugs on me, bro. I keep feeling bugs. I seen somebody online say, I don't know why y'all be crumbling the papers before y'all roll them. It don't make a difference. You're wrong. I'm gonna tell you right now, it makes a difference, bro. It makes a difference, bro. Compared to, oh shit. Compared to compared to doing it, compared to not crumbling it, to compare to crumbling it, it make a difference, bro. I don't know if my grandma in this kitchen, but let's just put this down so she don't. What the fuck? Yo, why? Yo. So we got a projector out here, right? And a projector got strings on it. I'm trying to pull the strings. The strings so damaged from the weather. Every time you pull it, look. Yo, I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Starting to get shot too, but check though. Let's talk about let's talk about this whole IRL thing, bro. Cause I really want to talk about this. Move up a little bit so y'all can put this right here so I can see. Let's talk about this whole IRL thing, bro. Cause I've been wanting to talk about this. Y'all keep making it seem like I don't really want to sit back on this because this shit probably got all pollen on it. But let's go back to this IRL thing. And somebody clipped this too. So I keep hearing people talk about IRL is it take 20,000 to go IRL, 10,000 to go IRL, 15,000 to go IRL. I'm gonna tell y'all how much it costs me to go IRL. And I'm gonna tell you what kind of budget you need for IRL right now. Different than what everybody else said. So look, this is technically this isn't IRL. Technically. Because I'm not on, because when you stream IRL, it's an actual thing on Twitch where it says stream IRL and you click that. I'm not clicked on that. I'm on desktop stream. But I use OBS, but I use OBS with Cameo Studios. So my OBS is set up. I'm live streaming. I got my overlay on here, right? But my camera and my mic is set up to through Cameo Studios. Cameo Studios is the application you can download on your phone, and you can go live on. You could like right now. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh wait, it's the wrong thing. I can't show y'all because this is the camera. But this camera right here that y'all seeing me on, this is my iPhone. This is my backup iPhone. I'm using the camera through Cameo, including the mic. So I set up the mic and the camera on OBS through Cameo. The pro version of Cameo is like, it's like $24. I don't know how much it is. It's not that much. It might even be cheaper than that. So you don't even need the pro version, but if you get the pro version, your camera quality is gonna be better. It's gonna always go HD camera quality. So now you're saying, okay, that's cool, but now this is where the cost can come in, right? Now, if you got a team or if you don't got a team, even if you just got like just one person, if you got one person with you who can, not even one person, you can really do it by yourself. I'm gonna give an example, right? Let's say, now granted, the distance isn't that far. You feel me? I'm outside. It's set up in the crib. But I say that to say this. Let's say you want to do a stream at the park, right? Boom. Now, I see why they do streamer. I know there's still a cheaper way to do this. Because if you got like a smaller laptop, my laptop's pretty big, but if you got like a smaller laptop with a good amount of with a good amount of bandwidth or whatever, all you do the same thing, set up your stream overlay, right? But here go the thing though. You need wireless, you need a mobile hotspot. So now let's get back to the example. It's a crazy spider over here. Look at this shit. Look at this motherfucker right there. I don't even know if y'all can see him or not. Anyway, like look, look. This is what you gotta do, right? You get the mobile hotspot. So let's, like I said, let's say we stream it. Let's say we streaming at the park, right? Boom. You get the mobile hotspot on your laptop. You set up your overlay, do all that. You set it. You have your drone set up. How mine's is set up. If you know how to set it up that way, if you need help with that, that's another conversation. But boom, you set it up the way I got it set up, right? Cameo Studios. Then you can pick up your phone and move around. If you got somebody holding the phone for you, whatever. Now your mobile hotspot is going to keep. So let's say you go to the park, you can keep your laptop in the car. I don't know if you want to have the car on, running, or windows down, something so your laptop don't overheat. Maybe a way to charge your laptop if it's getting low, wireless charger, portable charger, or a way to plug it into the car that it's in. Boom, you plug it into the car, you start your chat. After you start your chat, after you start your stream, now you can just move around with it. You just don't want to go too far away where your mic, where your Cameo will disconnect. And you want to have your phone on the same Wi-Fi as your laptop. Because that's how it connects. It connects, it's via Wi-Fi. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. If the Wi-Fi ain't that good though, it's gonna lag. It's not gonna work. You gotta have good mobile hotspot. You feel me? Get the highest version, whatever. So we looking at, if you already got a backup phone and you already got a backup phone and you got a what's it called? Shit, that guy's hitting. That maybe shoot a blank. If you already got a phone and a laptop, all you gotta pay for is mobile hotspot. Now, mobile hotspot normally is like a monthly job. It's probably like requires a plan or whatever. But I know there's still ways around it. Like, oh shit, a B. Even if you wanted to, oh, why did he go in there? That's no bueno. But even if you wanted to, like, say you wanted to stream Walmart, you could have somebody on a laptop and like what Walmart got. Let's say Target, because Target is better. Let's say you wanted to do a stream inside of Target, right? What you would do is have somebody on the laptop in the Starbucks watching the stream, making sure everything is good on the laptop. And then you can have somebody else or you holding your stream phone while you moving around. You feel me? Because some Twitch users just be looking at they just be looking at their chat or they folded, they got somebody else recording them. But if you're not privy to have it, that requires two people. What you don't want to do is just have your laptop sitting somewhere with nobody looking at it or nobody watching it, obviously. All I'm saying is you don't need a $10,000 setup. Like, and I feel like you can accomplish a high quality IRL stream probably with like $500. $500. I just wanted to check the sound real fast. See how it sounded. Y'all hear that? That's Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi audio, bro. It's Wi-Fi video. Meaning like it's the camera in the mic, but it's connecting to the computer via just being on the same Wi-Fi. So I'm saying that to y'all to say like, you could go IRL, bro, with a stack. Cause all you need is the mobile hotspot. And I feel like shit. Like they got the little book bag joint. I feel like you could create your own book bag for cheaper. I'm damn near thinking about making that shit. Making a new IRL book bag and selling that bit for like a band. Cause they talk about 5K. Now granted, they probably use a high quality camera, which you gotta be able to set that camera up. You gotta be able to set that camera up to something, whatever the device is. It's some type of computer device. That's what I'm saying. Like all the wireless batteries. That's what it really is. Oh, shit's not eat. I figured out another way you could do it too. There's so many ways you could do this, bro. I'm mad as I don't even want to talk about this yet. It's something else I want to talk about, bro. And it's about Streamers University, but I'm gonna wait to talk about that later until I'm back at the desk. But we're gonna talk about the Streamers University. But matter of fact, let's talk about this though. I'm mad I can't see y'all. What y'all saying? Let me see. What y'all talking about? I cannot see these messages. Why this Zay on keep floating? I don't know what y'all talking about. I know y'all probably like trolling. Anyway, I know for a fact that there's a better way to do this, bro. I know for a fact, bro. Like probably like I said, like 1,000. Oh no, this the gas. It got me. We seeing it live. I'm skitzing. Don't smoke weeds, kids, boys and girls. But look though. Zoe did not get accepted in the Streamers University, bro. Zoe did not get accepted into Streamers University, bro. Zeddy got accepted. Punga got accepted. Talil got accepted. Ray got accepted. Everybody from AMP is probably going to be in there too. Everybody who I'm pretty sure Duke was on there. I think I seen Duke on there. Did Agent get it? I don't know if Agent got accepted. But I'm saying though, all these people got accepted. And they really didn't accept Zoe? Sometimes I be really feeling like they don't like Zoe. Because remember when Zoe dropped the song? They was all hating on Zoe's song. Like, why they be treating, and it's crazy because me personally, I like Zoe, but I feel like Zoe must do something that makes niggas not like her, because everybody be treating her the same, bro. Rakai, Reggie, she come over Rakai's stream. They do her dirty. Couple she came on Reggie's stream, told her get out. She come in to say happy birthday. She come in, fall on the ground, say happy birthday or whatever, right? Reggie like, get out. So she gets out, she come back in sad, like, and it's like all the shit you be seeing, it's like, yo, is it all an act? Or is it like, damn, they really curved her? That's what I be, oh. Y'all see that beat? It's crazy because I can see the same way y'all can see the smoke, I can see the pollen in the air, bro. It's hella pollen in the air. I cannot see these messages because they white. Like, this is what I'm trying to read the messages on, y'all. I cannot see them. I don't want to go too far away. My neighbors got some shit not eat going on today. My neighbors is different, man. You can't ever catch your smoke when you smoke outside. You gotta just inhale that bit. One thing about smoking, you can't never just inhale while you puffing. You gotta let the smoke all come together and then inhale it so you don't choke. You feel me? You try to, that shit don't even feel right. I feel like I always gotta like inhale, like put the smoke in one place. Cause you just try to you try to puff and inhale at the same time and smoke your grass. All right, I'm gonna try to go into the sun, y'all. I don't know, man. I don't know if we can go that far, but we ready to try. We made it. We made it to the sun. I don't want to go no further. Hold on. We made it to the sun. Oh, this is perfect time to clip farm. See, nature is the best representation that we can physically see of God. See, when you come into nature and you take your shoes off and you put your feet to the land, it's something amazing that happens. Something magical that happens. You get inside that sun, you feel that sun, you got your feet on the land, and you hug a tree. When you hug the tree, that's when something magical happens. You just fully recharge. And now you're one with Earth, one with Mother Nature, one with God. And that's why you must come out. Come out. Come out. come out. There's so much pollen out here, bro. Like, I'm just trying to get fried, and it's just a pollen. It's a real pollen party you cannot get in. The bees off the bees off the bees off the honey. I don't even know. Damn, I just went further away. Hold on, let me make sure it's not lagging though. Hold on. Let me check. No lag. W stream. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. You get so much. It's the reason I wanted to do a 24-hour stream though, is because that's so much content. Granted, every part is not going to be, you feel me? But we're going to take a different couple approaches. Like right now, I'm recording this whole stream. But when I go inside, I'm probably going to stop the recording and then we're going to get some Twitch clips too. You got to get the Twitch clips. We got to get the Twitch clips. Whatever we do, we got to get them clips. My brother supposed to be pulling up. Let me check Instagram. Did my post? Posted. 24-hour stream, bro. I'm staying live for 24 hours, starting right now. If you want to come on the stream, you can come on the stream. We IRL too, so we moving around. But 24-hour stream starting right now. That's about your cousin, gang. Your cousin, YBJ, man. That's your cousin. Man, that ain't my cousin. Man, you gotta say, ask me that question, man. Hey, that's your cousin, what? I'm telling you, ask me what time that nigga be my cousin. He my dad, he ain't my cousin, boy. Stop that, man. That's your cousin, though, baby. He with the niggas, man. He ain't with one of them, man. Playing it too, man. Fuck all that shit. That's late. Get that boy on your cook. Oh, what? I have fun. I know you see Kanye on Twitter going crazy. You get that crazy, call all type of names on fun. You know? I see this shit like, what you doing that? They was posting all that shit on Twitter, all type of posted that shit like on IG and shit. Yeah. Man, I be like a little, I got my research on that shit, man. Out here in nature, man, yo, it's so much pollen. That shit is like attack, boy. This shit OD, boy. This shit probably getting in my hair, everything. Look at this shit. Everything covered in pollen. It ain't adding up, fam. We never used to have this much pollen, so how out of nowhere pollen just start getting like this thick? Cars is covered in pollen. It never used to be like that, bro. So what done happened that made stuff like that? The IRL, man. We could do whatever today. Yeah, I'm done, cuz. I'm done. It's out. Oh, I'm sorry, my mom. I left that tinfoil or something there. And yeah. We can stop the recording now. What you talking about?